Hello friends, what I have is a 1988 Dodge Caravan door. Seems to be thicker than the doors on the vehicles today. Pretty sturdy. We're going to do some shooting, different types of calibers, actually 9, 40, and 45, to see what they can penetrate and how well they penetrate. Let's take a closer look.
This door is pretty solid. I'm going to move back here and take a look. I'm going to try to shoot from the door handle on down, see what penetrates through this area. Well, these internals are here, so let's see what happens. I'm going to use the XD45 on your right. That's a 5-inch barrel. In the middle is a Glock 27 and 40. And then on your left is a Kahr CM9 and 9mm. Going to use just regular Federal, full metal jacket in each. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm about 8 yards away. Let's start with the 9mm Kahr CM9. Well, it certainly went through, but it didn't go through any of the internals. I was aiming for that lower corner, so we're going to try that again, and once again move it over a little bit and try to get that area right there. Let's take a closer look at that. Okay, there are the groupings. What is interesting is not only did it go through the front, but they did go through the back, and they even went through my wooden fence. So if I take you on the other side, you'll see that not only went through the car door, but went through the fence as well. I have a feeling where this is going. Alright, 40 Smith & Wesson, Glock 27. Okay, there are my 8 shots from the 40. If I go around the other side, show you that in fact all 8 went through, as well as through the fence and out the other side. So just like the 9mm, the 40 went through the car door, through the internals, through the fence. Let's try the 45. Hopefully I'll still have a fence when this is over with. Alright, here we go. 45 auto. Let's take a look. Okay, here's my group, many of which are sharing the same hole. But just like the other calibers, you can see they all went through and buried through the fence as well. As well as the back of the fence. Very interesting.
Well, the moral of the story is, do not use a car door, van, truck, doesn't matter, for cover ever. Ever. Do not use that for cover.
And I mean ever. Slice it through that car door, van door, like it's nothing. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps somehow. You guys be safe.